A 2016 Cadillac CTS. We'll be using this toggle button to toggle up and down, left to right. We're going to be starting the vehicle. Alright, we're going to go ahead and press select to dismiss that. We'll be scrolling to the right. Dismiss that, dismiss that. There's the oil life, but most likely it'll be toggled somewhere else, so you're going to want to toggle through until you get to the oil. There's the oil reset there. I'm going to go ahead and press select and hold it. And there it is, 100%. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.